Mama, we want a motorcycle too. Please, Mama.
Oh, my dears, a motorcycle? Open wide, dear.
Mama, I don't want to eat. I just want a motorcycle. I want one too.
A motorcycle?
Is this real gold?
Yes, it is absolutely real gold. I want 2 motorcycles like these.
Okay. Woohoo! This is amazing!
I told you it would be fun.
Faster, rabbit! Hold on tight!
Do you know what I have brought for both of you?
We don't know what you have brought.
Open your eyes, my kids.
Wow!
चलो बच्चों, घुमाओ मोटरसाइकिलें। Viewers, can you make sacrifices for your children's happiness? If you can, then write yes in the comments. Hey everyone, don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Just click the button right here. Thanks a bunch!